just got to work, and I'm excited because I got my hair tags. I ordered some hair tags, some thank you cards for my business, and they finally came. So I'm in here this morning opening them up, and I just want to show you all how they look. I'm very excited. They're so high quality. So I'm about to show y'all. Don't mind the gloves, y'all, because I'm about to color some hair, and so don't worry about that. I just happen to have these on. And don't worry about the packaging, because I really had already opened it, but I just didn't get a chance to show you all what it's looking like. I kind of ripped the bag, but these are my thank you cards. Look at them, y'all. Oh my God, the quality is so, look at that. And I did design these myself. Actually, I used a template, and that was the best thing I could have ever done. So this is so cute. Okay, and let me show y'all the hair tags. And these are the hair tags, y'all. My bad. These are the hair tags. I put my face finally on something because I don't have my face on anything to do with my company. So this is like my first time putting my face on it. And these are so cute. And so these are what's going to go on the bundles. And of course, we'll have the, you know, I'll be able to put my length, the texture on the back. Now, they didn't send any, like, zip ties or, well, I know they didn't use zip ties, but they didn't send any of the little things for me to use to put them on the bundles. But, so I messaged my vendor about that to see, like, did they forget or do they not include those? But either way it go, I actually have some, because I have some more of these at home. Well, it has a different logo on there, but I have some already at home, so if they don't provide that, if that's extra, then I'll just use the ones that I have, and they should work perfectly fine. But yeah, I am in love with these, you guys. So I'm just tapping in to show you that. Also, hold on. Let me wrap this back up. Real, I don't know. It's a little ghetto, but it'll do. Oh Lord. I think my client is late. I had the client this morning, y'all, but I don't see anyone, so I don't know what that means. Okay, also, you guys, I have a new vendor that I'm trying. So my hair also came the other day, and this is gonna be my first time using this vendor. From what I know, they have very great quality hair. This is raw Vietnamese hair, if I'm not mistaken. Which I have a raw Vietnamese vendor, but I mean, I can always see if I can find better. I'm actually looking for a thicker quality hair or a coarser, and this hair seems to be a little bit more coarser in texture. And I'm looking for something that holds a little bit more of a curl. Well, my hair holds curl, but I wanted to hold curls for longer. So I'm about to dye this jet black today, so I can install this later on this week or in a few days. All right. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to dye these bundles from my vendor. This vendor that I'm trying out. The bundles look so good, y'all. The hair looks amazing. So I'm about to dye them jet black because I want to get them installed. I haven't made up my mind yet what type of install I want, but I just know that I need to put these in my head because I'm ready to see how this hair is. So today I'm gonna use the Revlon. I'm doing the black and the natural blue black because I just feel like they just get my bundles really, really dark like I like it. And I like to do a watercolor. I want to work smarter, not harder. So boom, I mixed both my natural blue black and my black together. And I just feel like it's like the ultimate black, okay? And I'm just gonna put a little bit in of each one. I'm gonna add my water and my bundle. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but I think this one is the blue black. Yeah, I want these bundles so black. Seriously. And I'm just really just alternating blue black and this natural black together. What is it, natural black or just like regular black? But that ain't never just black enough. You can never go wrong with blue black. It be so shiny and like, I just love me a good blue black. Is that all the bundles? And then in a few minutes, you really gonna start to see the water turn. The water starts to turn so fast. I feel like I'm gonna need some more, so I'm gonna add these other 2 boxes. Cause like I said, I want to make sure my bundles are black as I can get them. Okay? Well, maybe I'll just add one more. I probably only need one more. Yeah, and I'm just gonna let this sit. And as you can see, it's already starting to get darker. So y'all, my client did finally end up showing up. She was just a few minutes late due to traffic. But you see me right here. I'm pressing her hair out. I had actually let my bundle sit in the dye, and I did her a quick weave. So this was a glueless quick weave, and we installed 3 bundles. She actually purchased the bundles from me, which these were really the raw Vietnamese bundles. And I'm just finishing her up. She was actually getting her hair done to go out of town the next day for her birthday. Was it the next day or that same day? I don't know. Either way, she was going out of town for her birthday. So it's always an honor to do someone for special occasions. I love that people love to come to me for that. But this was basically it to conclude my day, you guys. I'm gonna come back with another video and show you all the bundles after I've dyed them and installed them, and let you all know what I thought about this new vendor. So that's it for me today. Y'all let me know if y'all know anything about raw Indian hair. I would love feedback, because I've actually never ever in my life worn it. I've worn a lot of different types of hair. Indian is not one of them. So I'm curious to see how these bundles will be. And let me know what you guys think of my hair cards and my hair tags. Please leave comments down below, and I'll see y'all next time.